Here's a progress report for Monday. I've got the body in the gloss black sprayed on the inside. It's kind of different. I've got the frame, as you know, in the wrought iron. The engine is all together. Got the headers on with the burn marks. I got the distributor in and wired. Got the fan belt made from electrical tape. I've detail painted the seat, and I've got the fuel lines painted and dull coated, and I've got the parachute painted and detailed. So I've been doing a lot of dry fitting and test fitting, and everything's lining up, and I've been scraping the glue points. We're almost ready to go. Just got to get the decals on the body, and then we can start assembly. Well, here we are in the garage. I've got some of the men helping out with the test fitting, make sure everything fits in properly. So far, everything's working very well. The kit supplied belt was way too big, so I discarded that and used a piece of black electrical tape. I used Tester's Aztec paint for the heat staining in purple, blue, and gold. To replace the kit distributor, I cut the distributor in the shaft from the sprue, drilled out the hole, and used the aftermarket distributor kit. I crazy glued on the wires and put them into the drilled out holes on the valve covers.